Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can skip the Overwatch 2 queue instantly. So this is the first time I'm going to be starting the game and I will get in the game instantly. So all you need for this is you need to have a friend who is already in the menu. So once you have a friend who is already in the menu, tell your friend to invite you. You will get the invite screen. I'm on PS5, so I will get the invite just like this. And once you get the invite, you will have to simply accept the invite. And once you have accepted the invite, I'm going to fast forward this so you guys can see it says 919 players in a queue ahead of me, and the numbers will go down really fast. And once the numbers are all down, you will get in the game. So trust me, this works every single time. So if you're in a queue waiting, just tell your friend to invite you, and once you join the invite, you will get inside the game. And again, this is the first time I'm starting the game. I have never started Overwatch 2. I've never loaded it. I never made it into the menu. I started the game and I got in by just using this trick. So simply tell your friend to invite you, and that's it. And the players ahead of you gonna go lower and lower, and you will get in the game. So as you can see, 6 players are ahead of me right now, and now like within no time I will get in the game. So you can see now it's saying connecting to the game server, entering the game. And once that's done, you say I got the first time setup. That means I have never played the game. I started the game for the first time and I got in. So this is it. And when I accept all of these things, you will see that I will be in my friend's party. So remember, if you cannot get in, simply join your friend, tell your friend to invite you and you will get in. Or you can do one more thing, is you can go to people's profile. If they're playing Overwatch 2, you can click and join them, and that will work as well. So remember, there's either you can join from the invite, or you can go to the profile of the people who are playing Overwatch 2 and simply join them. So you see, I'm in the game right now finally, and it took me like really less time to figure out how to join because my friend invited me and I played. So you guys can see I'm in the game right now. So anyway, this is the video. I hope you guys find it super helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.